Alright, listen up. We're talking about the let keyword in JavaScript. This thing is like the secret sauce for managing your variables. It's like having a whole different universe for your data right inside your code. So, picture this. You're writing your JavaScript, and you want to declare a variable, but you don't want it to mess with the other variables outside of where you're working. That's where let comes in. When you use let to declare a variable, it's like creating a little bubble around it. It's only accessible within the block of code where you declared it. That's the key word here, block. Let me show you an example. You got this function, right? And inside that function, you got an if statement. Now you declare a variable with let inside that if statement. Guess what? That variable is only alive and kicking inside that if statement. So you can do all sorts of stuff with it inside that if statement, but the moment you step out of that block of code, it's like it never existed. It's encapsulated, contained, like a secret sauce recipe. Here's the kicker. If you try to access that let variable outside of its bubble, JavaScript's gonna say, hey, I don't know what you're talking about. That variable doesn't exist here. That's block scoping for you. So, let is like a boundary, a force field, keeping your variables in check, making sure they don't mess with other parts of your code. It's all about control, folks, and let gives you that control. There you have it, the let keyword in JavaScript. It's like creating little pockets of variables that don't interfere with the rest of your code. It's like having your own space in the vast world of JavaScript. It's a game changer, my friends. Alright folks, gather round because we've got something important to talk about. You just watched an incredible video, something that got your mind racing, made you laugh, or even taught you something new. Now, here's what you gotta do. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's not just about showing love. It's about being part of something bigger, something special. My friends, by liking, commenting, and subscribing, you're not just supporting the content creator. You're fueling their passion. You're telling them, keep going, keep creating, because we're right here with you. So with the passion of a Starfleet officer and the ambition of a Sith Lord, may the Force be with you, always.